Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Jo. I can't wait to give you an update on Navarro bleaching soap. Guys, before we start, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends if you'd like my videos on reviews on my different products that I have reviewed pala. And then guys, this is really my skin. I don't have any makeup at all. I just woke up and then I just walked this big dog here at my back. Yan, her name is Pixie. So guys, my final thoughts on Navarro bleaching soap. Ano siya, yung kiniklaim niyang permanent whitening, I think yes, kasi 5 minutes pa lang na ano ko siya, for 5 minutes na sinubukan ko siya, nag skin test ako. Yes, may difference talaga siya. So if araw-arawin mo, for sure it will be ano, as white as snow. Charot. Pero ako, continue. This is my third day actually na. Third day na ba? Parang 2 days pa ata. 2 days. Hindi ko siya tuloy-tuloy like everyday kasi tamad ako maligo. Like kasi dito sa Hong Kong tamad ako gumising ng maaga at maligo. And then guys, ano siya, yung ayoko lang sa kanya is drying siya and then drying sa skin. So what I did was, after bleaching, pag nasa shower na ako, when I stepped in the shower, nagsisilka soap ako after that. So una, ginagamit ko yung bleaching na Navarro, then after that yung silka papaya soap, kasi moisturizing kasi yung silka, kasi I'm a dry skin type, so I need to be moisturized, kasi pag once you are nagbi-bleach ka, nagda-dry talaga siya kasi nagbabakbakan, nag-skin peeling siya. Look at my skin, oh. Tapos yung peklat ko, na may mga peklat kasi ako sa kamay dahil sa trabaho ko, natatanggal siya guys. Meron, totoo yung niya, yun lang kasi drying siya sa skin kasi nga siguro grabing bakbakan ng binabakbak niya yung mga old skin mo. So guys, thank you for watching. That's my final thought. Maganda po siya. And then watch these next videos, the following videos na ako 5 minutes skin test. Thank you for watching guys, and say hi to Pixie. Pixie! Ay, ko muna kayo, i-tour ko muna kayo sa nilakaran kong lugar. Oh, ang ganda guys. This is how Hong Kong look like. Malapit kami sa may, alam niyo yung Ocean Park? Malapit po kami dyan. Yan. O diba? Thank you for watching. Check this out guys, the next video.
Gamit ko siya 2 nights na, pero I don't know, hindi ko makita ay yung difference. Kasi gabi na, try natin ngayong araw ha. Sabi niya ladder, wet your skin. Dito natin siya i-try sa left hand. Try natin ha. Dito. Tapos, compare natin sa mga sa right hand. Sa 2 nights na experience, or 2 nights experience, I can feel the tingling sensation sa skin. Pero if na-dry na siya, when it already dries on your skin, hindi na siya matingling. Okay guys, ilid ko po ito ng 5 minutes. Let's see the difference again. I'll be back. 5 minutes is done. Let's rinse my hands. Let's see what will be the result. Tingnan natin. Ugasan ko muna ha. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo. I will show you the result after 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang talaga ang ginawa ko sa kanya. Because the box said, the instruction said after leave it for 5 minutes. Babad nyo na for 5 minutes. Okay. Then hot dry. Okay guys. Can you see the difference? Yes. Yeah, I think meron siya. Meron difference. I'll take picture of this. Meron talaga guys. Look at my hand, oh. Left, here, dito. Meron nga. Okay, I'll take picture ha. Bye, thank you for watching.
This is my skin condition on Navarro. Look at my hands. Yan o. Yung kiniklaim niyang permanent whitening. As of now, nagbabakbakan pa din siya. Skin peeling. Ayan, may aso akong dala-dala. I have a dog named Pixie. Pixie, say hi. Pixie! Pixie doesn't need bleaching anymore. Ako lang. Only me who needs bleaching. Ayan, oh. Ayan.